You clean it, you scrub it, you spray it with strong chemicals, and yet mold comes back again and again on bathroom tiles, in corners, around windows, behind sinks, like it never left. It smells bad, looks worse, and honestly feels impossible to defeat. What if I told you that the best mold remover isn't expensive, isn't toxic, and is already sitting in your home right now? A simple household item that professionals quietly rely on, while most people completely ignore it. Stay with me, because once you learn this, mold will finally stop winning. Click the link in the description box to join our free cleaning community. Before we reveal the secret, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell icon so you never miss powerful home fixes like this. Why mold is so hard to remove permanently. Mold isn't just surface dirt, it's a living organism. Most people make the mistake of cleaning what they can see, but mold roots itself deep into porous surfaces. Moisture feeds it, warmth helps it spread, and poor ventilation lets it thrive. That's why wiping mold away doesn't solve the problem. You're removing the symptom, not the source. To truly defeat mold, you need something that kills spores and removes moisture, not just something that smells strong. The common household item that beats mold naturally. Here's the truth that surprises most people. White vinegar is one of the most effective mold removers you can use at home. Not fancy cleaners, not harsh bleach, just plain white vinegar. Vinegar kills up to 80% of mold species and prevents regrowth by changing the surface environment mold needs to survive. It doesn't mask the problem, it attacks it. Why vinegar works better than bleach for mold. Bleach looks powerful, but it has a big flaw. Bleach mostly whitens the surface while leaving mold roots alive underneath, especially on porous materials like grout, wood, and walls. Vinegar, on the other hand, penetrates deeper. Its acidic nature destroys mold spores and makes surfaces hostile for future growth. That's why mold often returns after bleach, but stays gone after vinegar. How to use vinegar the right way for mold removal. Using vinegar correctly is key. Pour undiluted white vinegar into a spray bottle. Spray it directly onto the moldy area. Don't wipe immediately. Let it sit for at least 1 hour. This waiting time allows vinegar to kill the mold at its root. Afterward, scrub lightly with a brush or cloth and wipe clean. For stubborn areas, repeat once more. Simple, safe, and extremely effective. Where this mold hack works best. This method works brilliantly on bathroom tiles, grout, shower curtains, sinks, window frames, kitchen corners, and even inside washing machines. Anywhere moisture lives, mold follows, and vinegar stops it. It's especially effective in bathrooms where humidity creates perfect mold conditions. The mistake that makes mold come back faster. One major mistake people make is rinsing vinegar away too quickly. Mold needs time to die. Another mistake is ignoring moisture afterward. If surfaces stay damp, mold will return no matter what you use. Always dry the area completely after cleaning. Mold hates dry environments, boosting vinegar's power for tough mold. For stubborn mold spots, sprinkle baking soda after the vinegar has sat and been wiped. Lightly scrub, then rinse and dry. This adds gentle abrasion without damaging surfaces. Remember, don't mix vinegar and baking soda at the same time. Use them in steps for maximum power. Why natural mold removal is safer for your home. Harsh mold cleaners release fumes that irritate lungs, eyes, and skin, especially dangerous for children and pets. Vinegar is non-toxic, affordable, and safe for regular use. You're not just protecting your home, you're protecting your health. Click the link in the description box to join our free cleaning community. If this mold removal secret helped you, don't forget to like this video, Subscribe to the channel and ring the bell icon for more powerful, safe, and smart home hacks. Share this with someone struggling with mold, because sometimes the best solution is already in your kitchen.